Hi everyone. So I'm here to tell you how you can find your interview dates, and that's very easy. You just need to go to Google and type careers indigo, and you can see this website https careers.goindigo.in. You just have to click here, and now you can see this official page of Indigo, where they have mentioned everything very clearly and which is very easy to understand. And similarly, if we go down, you can see all the departments mentioned, which is airport operations and customer services, cargo, engineering. This airport operation is for ground staff. If you click on this view all, you can easily find out in-flight services, and this is for crew, and I'm going to click here. And now you can see this view all jobs, and also they have written something about cabin crew, and which is very good to read. You must read. And you can click to view all jobs, and as soon as you do, you can find all the vacancies of this company. And you can see it's written cabin crew Airbus, so I'm going to clear see all. Cabin crew interview Airbus for Lucknow, Bangalore, Guwahati, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad. And if you just gonna click, let's click for Bangalore. So if we clicked here, and they have written eligibility criteria, requirements, responsibilities you need to fulfill, and everything, and log in to register yourself, so you can also do that. And if you go back and see this option as filters, and if you need to be very particular, you can just click on in-flight services, and also locations are mentioned, any location you would want to find interview for. So it's very easy. And most important thing, you can see this caution icon coming up again and again. So Indigo has mentioned about fake brands or fake people who are using Indigo's name and promising you fake jobs, and promising you that they will get you job, and they are providing you these kinds of fake offer samples. They have also posted them, that how some people just use Indigo's name and send you all these things, and you think that it's Indigo, but it's not Indigo, and they are just people who are promising you jobs, and they are charging you money as well. So Indigo has also mentioned that demanding money in exchange for interview jobs or job with Indigo. Indigo does not charge any money for interviews or recruitments. So you can see and find it yourself. Now if I go back and just type here careers Vistara, so you can also see this website again, https www.airvistara.com. I'm going to click here, and you can see this Vistara official page. And if you click here why Vistara, they have shown you everything about Vistara and Vistara company and employees and everything. And if you just click here to current vacancies, you can see walk-in interviews for crew, pilots, ground staff. Let's click on crew, and here you can see date, time, city, venue, and pre-registration link for all these interview. Also you can see that there is no registration link for Gurgaon because it's the head office and you do not require it, and rest of the things you require the link. And also they have mentioned eligibility criteria and everything. So it's very easy to find interview dates, and you should find it yourself, because yes, we do post, I do post, but sometimes just a day before company postpone the interviews or change the date because they have some reasons to do so. So you should keep a check on that if they changed, you should be aware about it. And yeah, that's it. This is how you can find your interview dates. Thank you. Bye bye.